Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to finally be posting, especially after a long while. Let's start 2018 off right and keep posting inconsistently. Anyways, if you guys want to learn how you guys can get free McDonald's like the title says, just keep watching this video. Alright guys, so let's just get to this video. First thing I'm going to be using is this Mario Badescu Rose Water, which I always use to spray on my face just to moisturize it. It always makes me feel so fresh. And yeah, so I'm not going to be using foundation, but I will be using, let me go find it real quick, my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, just to kind of conceal up any like small blemishes on my face. And I really want to share this story with you guys because I think it's absolutely hilarious, and this is why I kind of wanted to make this video and the look on this. So pretty much, I don't know what hit me New Year's Eve. If you guys hear that rustling, that's my puppy biting on this tree right here. But yeah, anyways, just on New Year's Eve, I was just thinking to myself, man, I really gotta stop rolling out of bed. Yesterday, I was going to McDonald's for lunch and I had left my debit card at home, but I have Apple Pay and McDonald's takes Apple Pay. And it wasn't working, so I decided not to get any of the food. So right when I walk out, I just heard like, hey, is your card not working? So me thinking is like, it's one of my work friends because we said we were gonna meet up at McDonald's together. It was like gonna cover me. I was like, oh cool, whatever. I turn around, it's completely random Asian dude. So I was like, do I know him? No, I didn't. And he offered to pay for my food. And like, he was like, we can go back in, I can get you something to eat. I was like, oh no, it's cool. I'm just going back to work. I was just shook. Like, had I known in 2017 that all it took for me to get free food was just to look a little decent, a little cute, I would have done it. So now I want to share that with you guys and how you too can get your lunch paid for. Alright, cool. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of more rose water just to kind of blend in that concealer. Yep, it looks pretty good to me so far. Right, and that is about it. Just kind of get into like the nose a little bit. So the point of this look is really, I'm gonna be wearing pretty dark lips, so I don't really want to overdo it with like the skin makeup and look super unnatural. So the next step, sorry, my sister's texting me. The next step is we're gonna just do our brows. I kind of already prepped them a little bit, but you can always like brush them out, whatever, just to have them clean. I'm just gonna fill it in first with the ends. But yeah, ladies, 2018 is gonna be the year that I slay. Because I am so ready. I have never been more motivated in my life to just look good so that I can get free food. Best believe my debit card is not going to be working anytime I go to lunch. While I'm at it, I really want to share another funny story with you guys too. Maybe this will come in handy the next time I go to Daiso. So my friend and I are going to Daiso, and this is when I had like probably $4 in my account, and I just don't, you know, Daiso is a trap. And if you guys don't know what Daiso is, it's this Japanese $1.50 store. And I, for some reason, thought it was going to be a good idea just to try to grab whatever I wanted because everything there is so darn cute, and ended up being short, I think, 16 cents, and I got declined at Daiso. And then here my friend comes in, trying to be clutch to cover me. She also gets declined. So that time, nobody offered to help pay but my friend. But now, with the power of makeup, gonna have people pay for my stuff. Just kidding. I'm really just kidding. I'm not gonna really try to really have people pay for my stuff, but apparently I was like telling some of my coworkers that story because if you know me personally, I am just every guy's like turn off, like anti-fantasy. I never get hit on or like have people really compliment me or in the streets or anything. So like to have somebody just say they're gonna pay for my food, I was like, what? And apparently guys are like that. They're complete pigs. Does that eyebrow look a little, the eyebrow looks a little dramatic, but I guess that's kind of okay, whatever. We're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna, yeah, guys can just be absolute pigs. And yep, there goes the brows. And the next thing, oh crap, do I have it? Okay, next thing we're gonna do is the eyes, and I'm gonna be using this LA Colors little jumbo brow stick. Blessed Dysa. This is only $1.50 and it's amazing. I'm just gonna use that to line my eyes a little. Looks good. Alright, and then I'm going to be using this little e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Peach Matte Palette. And I'm going to be using the shades Peach Tea, I believe, right here, and Peach Cobbler. I'm going to go in Peach Tea first, and I'm going to just kind of start with the outer V and just kind of blend in just to give some color to this look. But yeah, so far though guys, like 2018 is starting out great for me. I'm gonna try to keep up with my looks a little better. Alright, just gonna go in Peach Cobbler now, just kind of dust that over my eyelid. I think I'm going with Peach Tart, so it's gonna be this brown color right here. And I'm gonna just put that in my crease just to give my eyes a little more definition. Not too much. Oh, a little too much. It's okay. Whatever. Cool. Alright. Cool. Super easy and fast. My eyes are done. Now, if you want, you can always go with mascara too. I forgot to put in mascara yesterday, so on my way to work, my boyfriend drove me. I was trying to apply in the car and it looked like super spidery. So don't forget to do that before you leave the house if you're going to be taking a vehicle to work. And this mascara I'm using is L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise, and it's a pretty good knockoff for, I think, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So if you're a little broke like me in the bank account, get it. It's only $8.99 at Target. Bottom lash is good. Okay, and now for the grand finale. Okay, I just dropped something. We're gonna be doing our lips, and I'm going in with like this old Kylie lip liner. It's a nude color. I don't have a red liner, but a nude liner also works. I'm just gonna line my lips. That was a really bad job, but whatever. We're going to be covering it up anyways with my Fenty lipstick in the shade, I can't see that. Yeah, I can't see that, but it's this red shade. I'm like the worst YouTuber ever, not even give you guys the right information to buy this product. Whatever. I'm so terrible at applying dark lipstick. Oh my gosh. This gives me like flashbacks to my terrible first YouTube video of me applying dark lipstick. I haven't used that technique since, but yeah. Okay. I'm decent. So since I'm decent, I'm gonna put that away. And highlight is not the finale. I forgot about my highlighter. I'm going with Fenty Trophy White. And I'm gonna be just taking my highlighting brush and just give myself a little bit of highlight. Or maybe lots of highlight. Yeah, I think I might go with a lot of highlight, so like when I walk home from work in the dark, like if a car almost hits me, it's like, whoa! What's that? It's like always slaying in the dark. Because Fenty Beauty Trophy White highlight just saved my life. You know what, guys? I had to go back and film this because I forgot one last important thing. the highlighter on my eyelids. Oh my goodness. Sorry. So we're just gonna put the highlight, trophy wife highlight in the middle of our lids, just to give our lids a little more dimension, and so you can really, really slay and work for that McDonald's. Yes. And yeah, this is the completed look. So I really hope you guys like this video and my story. I hope you guys don't think less of me and my excitement for getting free food. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please comment and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.